Here's my setup for winterizing the engine. I got about 5 gallons of antifreeze in there, minus 100. Don't cheap out and use the Red Pop 50 stuff. Michigan Motors has the best price. They're in Troy, Michigan. They shipped anywhere in the country. And there's my C strainer. I pull it out, and I got my same size hose ID as the inlet for the actual motor. Got a T-fitting in there, nipple. So just gonna go up, start the engine, and it takes maybe 30 seconds to draw that down. Goes fast. Goes. Gets down to the bottom, shut her off. Dip it a little. So what I do, it's not necessary because I've done this enough times, just for peace of mind. I'm gonna come out here. See, lots of blue antifreeze. I didn't get anything out of these holes here, but that's how it's done. I do this if the boat comes on water, so the motors are warm. These 7.4 MPI Horizons don't like starting when it's cold, so that's why I like to do it right away and get it out of the way. Anyways, nothing to it.